Hang on a minute. So that's the hung dead bell at Almondbury Church. I'm in the bell tower now, so I just have to do it with a bit more lightning so I can see a bit better. A bit dark, can't I? But maybe if I just stand here I could probably see a little bit of the Almondbury's famous 8 bells. There's a bit more light to it since last time I came up. What numbers do these bells chime on for the clock?
I don't know.
Because I know it chimes on 7, 8, don't it, for the clock, and then there must be a treble around there somewhere, behind there. I can't really see them on that side. If I stand further here I can probably see the bells better and get a better shot of them this time. I'm not going up there because it's dangerous. I'm doing a sensible thing until somebody brings me up there, but not at the moment. So this is Almondbury All Hallows Church on a Monday evening practice night on the 15th of November after the day after Remembrance Sunday morning. And that is like an arm, is that an ellicombe chime hammer what I've got on my hand there now. Let's see, where is the bowl? There. Let me just turn around and let's get the bowl. And that's what strikes the bell for the quarters. This little hammer thing here. Hang on, let's see him. That. So it hits there. It's a massive sound. Oh, it's a bit fuzzy now. I'm letting me get. See a bit better with a bit of light on because the light has come up a bit better, so it's not as dark as last time. So I'm just gonna video the bell tower of Almondbury Church because it's beautiful and the bells make a right nice lovely sound. So you don't. So that is a bowl. And that's the arm that connects it. And that is the wire for the ellicombe chiming that goes right down there. That's separate for the ringing bell. So you don't meddle with him now. Just move on. If I just bend down you can just see him. Sorry. And those are the muffles on the clappers, so they're taking them off now until next year. Right. It's not too bad now. I've just got to make sure I get every bell. Is there anything else you want me to do there?
I'll tell you in a second.
Okay.
I think I can reach this one, alright?
I don't want you to hurt yourself because
Oh, that's what you're here for.
I don't want having to ring the hospital up again.
How is your mum? She alright?
Yeah? I'm just seeing what that is in there. It's the clapper that hits both sides of a bell. Sorry, just a minute.
It's alright, just take these.
Do you want to help?
Take that. Thank you.
Just come towards me. And I could. Let me just move that away.
There we go. Pop it in there. Sit.
Do you want to get round here?
Yeah.
Hold on to that. Hold to that hammer. Just going up and down videoing the bells because the bells are beautiful and I'd like to ring another quarter peal here sometime in the near future. They're so lovely. Can't believe I've seen lots of West Yorkshire churches. Uh-oh, it's gonna not ring again. Oh, that's just a mechanism because the chime hammers are off. Where is it now? It's there somewhere. where is it? It's there, isn't it? You can just see it a little bit. That's for when you play tunes on the bells. These don't lift up and it knocks the bell, but the bell has to be down before you can do anything like that. So that one's just hung dead for chiming for services, and this one's over 500-year-old. This one up here, that one, it's on like a headstock and it doesn't swing. Are you okay getting down there?
Yeah, it's just a bit tight.
I don't want you to get hurt, because it's a difficult job doing stuff like this. I wish I'd have brought my torch with me. I would have brought a torch, but I've left it at home. It says on there, lovely bells, these. So these are loud on the ring. Let me just move my hand so I can see a bit of... That's the bottom of the bell, the rim of the bell. That must be number 6 that makes that noise. That must be 4. I don't think that platform up there to stand on is very safe. It looks like it's not safe to stand on to video down to the bells. I don't think it's very safe. No, so I'm not going to climb on there.
You're not?
No. I'm just going to stay here like a sensible young man, and then I can help more often. Because people have climbed on there and fallen on bells and had accidents. So that's why they need 2 men up here, or securities to help. Hang on, there's another clock hammer then. Let me just turn around. Got some daylight there. Let me just turn round. Just going to sit on there for a minute so I can see the other side of the bells, because I haven't seen it from this side yet. So they're ellicombe chime hammers then, but hit bells when they're down. So we've got more light here, roof, haven't we? From this side, last time I came it wasn't as good last time, but because the bulb is changed to an LED, so...
Have you got everything you need?
Yeah, I'm just seeing what's down there.
Because I've collected them all now.
Oh yeah, so there's those chiming hammers there. So that is like a bowl that lifts up and hits inside. Hello.
Ready to go down?
Pardon?
You ready to go down?
Yes.
I know they're eager to get the bells up.
Alright, I'll stop now. So it's just finished now as Almondbury Church. So thank you anyway for letting me help you, Ruth.
Thank you for your help, Stuart.
A good friend.